Tonight, I'm making Pizza Hut style pizza on Cooking With Jon.
Fire in the hole! Fire in the hole!
Oh, got the bubble over. Uh-oh, uh-oh. This is fucking full of shit. Okay, well, I'm glad she's a pizza trucker, but she's not a shit trucker. Welcome back, guys. As I said, tonight we are making Pizza Hut style pizza. Went online, found ourselves a recipe for it. It is courtesy of kdkitchen.com. If you don't know what we do, guys, we go online, find ourselves a recipe, come home with stuff, cook it. Simple as that. Ask kids what they wanted for dinner today. They're like, pizza! I know they say pizza, so I'm like, well, hell, I haven't tried to make Pizza Hut pizza yet. Let's give that a whirl. We're doing a 365-day cooking challenge, guys. That is, I'm cooking a different dish from the internet every night. We've been doing it for 110 days now, something like that. We're also attempting a world record, which is cooking, well, the same idea, just with proof for it. We're at 45 or so for that. Anyway, guys, let's start with this dough. I'm looking forward to some pie. Let's get going on this one. So for the dough, we're going to add our sugar, salt, yeast, our powdered milk, that a stir and let it sit for a couple minutes so till the yeast starts to bubble. So now we're going to add our oil and our flour, about a cup at a time. Combined. So for the sauce, we just have our 8 ounces of tomato sauce. We add our oregano, our basil, our marjoram, and our salt. And combine and allow that to set at room temperature for an hour. Welcome back, guys. Our pies are out and they're looking great. They kind of look like Pizza Hut pizzas. I'm pretty impressed with them, to tell you the honest truth. Little pan size and a medium there. I'm kind of waiting and looking forward to this. Let's get them cut up and see what we think here. God, it's flying everywhere. She's hot, but yeah, that's pretty awesome. That's a kick-ass recipe. That is perfect. That's good. Wow. Anyway, guys, come over and take a look at the date and time. I recommend that one, guys. It is 6:45 p.m. Wednesday the 22nd of April in Temiskaming Shores, Ontario. As I said, I recommend that one, guys. Quite a good recipe. Anyway, if you like what you're seeing, throw those thumbs up. Don't forget that subscribe button. Also, anything you want to see me make, throw it in the comments. Love to hear from you. It's been another Cooking with Jon. Bye for now, guys.